So how to retrieve or recover your delete contact from your iPhone. This is my contact list. Suppose I want to delete this number, or accidentally my number will be gone. So what can I do now? For that you have to go your setting first, then go to your iCloud, press on iCloud, then go to your iCloud option and press on again show all, and then you have to go to your contact section. You see it's already enabled for me. You have to disable it and again you need to enable it. And now when you go to your contact, you see it's still not working. Now you need to go your iCloud.com. You can also log in from your mobile. So I need to enter my user and password. Wait a second. And this is my iCloud website. You need to go your bottom, then you see data recovery option. Just press on it and restore contact. You have to choose this option. You can also restore your bookmark or restore file or restore calendar data from here, but I want to restore contact now. Press on it, and today 2:54 p.m. I want to restore this data. If you want to restore later, you can also restore them, but I want to restore this one. Press on it and press on restoring. It's restoring. Now you have to wait couple of seconds to restoring it. Contact restored. Your contact was successfully restored at 3:15 p.m. Restored contact will appear on all your device. Press on OK. And now go to your contact again. You see 20 duplicate data. View duplicate. Press on it and press on merge all. Okay, this is how you can easily recover your or retrieve your iPhone contact. For quickly update, you can again go to your iCloud and enable it and again merge. Now let's see what happened. Go to your iCloud, loading it again and again. This is it, Liton FA. That's I already deleted. This is how you can easily recover your contact. Thank you for watching.